Hi friends, thank you for watching my video. So in this video we will see HTML app cache in detail. So to implement a app cache in HTML5, what we have to do is we have to create a app cache file. So this is a example.appcache with AppCache extension. So this is a application cache file. So in this, as I explained in the previous video, there are three main segments. One is cache, second is the network segment, and third one is the fallback segment. So in the cache manifest, whatever we are giving in here, it by default it will be cached by the browser in the local system. And the cache section, whatever we are mentioning here, these HTML or image or JavaScript or any CSS files, whatever we are giving in the cache section, will be cached in the local system by the browser. And whatever we have mentioned in the network tab will not be cached at all, and then it will always look for the server connection to happen to download this file. So in the fallback section, if in case of some error happen in this directory, then it will load the fallback HTML. So these are the main three segments in the cache manifest file. So to enable the application cache in HTML5, as I said in the previous video, in the HTML tag we have to mention the manifest tag, manifest attribute. So here I have linked my example.appcache application cache file, and similarly in network I didn't included my manifest because it is not required, and fallback I have included my manifest. So now I have uploaded this to my real-time website developer grids, and then we will see how this works in my real website. So now I'm connected to the internet. So we will load the let me open the inspect element so that you can able to see. So before that I'll clear my history. So that I have cleared my history. So now what I'll do is I'll load my appcache.html. So now if you can see here, so once we have loaded the file from the server, then the Chrome is caching the example.appcache which we have requested in the requested in here, and then next it is downloading the appcache.html. Even though we didn't mention fallback.html in the cache section, since it is a fallback page, it has been automatically cached by the Chrome. So now we will see for the network.html. So and then this is fallback.html. Now there is no update here. So to check how it works, I'll close it, and then I'll disconnect my internet. So I went offline now. So I'm offline. So now we will try loading that appcache.html. So it still loads. If you see in the Chrome, it is just loading from the cached manifest. So how many times you load, it will be loading. But in case of network.html, so it will not load, because since it is in the network section, it will look for the look for the internet connection to be there to download the file. And as I said, for fallback HTML, so in my case, in the example directory, I didn't give any index.php or HTML file. So there is so obviously, while I connected to the internet, there will be a 403 forbidden error will come. So that this is just for example the fallback thing. So if I load this now, so obviously like it is redirecting me to the fallback page, which we have mentioned in the application cache section. So this is how it works now. So as I said in the previous video, whenever we updated this manifest file, or as I did in some time before, like whenever the user clears the cache, or if you programmatically invalidate the change the manifest file, that is the three events which will trigger the it will clear the app cache. Otherwise it will uh, stay in the local computer, and then whenever you want, we can load, even though you are offline, we can able to load the load our HTML documents. This is just a simple example. It can be a bigger page including many HTML divs or spans and then images as well. Thank you.